everybody, you're watching ModShapes. I'm Alex Steele, and today I made a set of fit dice, and this is how I started. Now initially I did one version with the text inset, but I wasn't satisfied with it. I decided to try a different approach and use the vinyl cutter. Let's get started. I'm calling this one a win. The vinyl cutter was a much smarter method of applying text to this surface. Because it wasn't cut out of the model itself, the print was cleaner, and that resulted in higher quality all around. Plus, you could change the color of vinyl if you really want to. I like it.